Hey you guys, I'm going to show you how to use the backdrop catalog. So as you can see at the top, I have backdrop catalog. You can change this to your brand's font. And I've also added all the backdrops that I have in my catalog or store, the backdrops I have available. I came up with these names, and you can also come up with your own names just so people can identify between the different types of backdrops. So this is my template at the top. If you scroll down to the bottom, I have a basic template for you to use. So again, right here, you can change this to your brand. So change the font to whatever you'd like for it to be. Right here, this is just a frame. So now upload your backdrop. Let me search for one that I already have in here. All right, let's see. I want to use this one. And you should be able to drag and drop that backdrop right into the frame. Click right here, click 3 times, and you can change the text to whatever name you want to give it. So I'm going to call this one silver foil. After you finish doing all this, make sure you scroll down to the bottom so that you can change this contact info here. Put your website, your email address, or your social media, your phone number, and I put my Instagram account info right here so people can automatically follow me, just by seeing that. So that's pretty much it. Once you're ready to share this to your social media, go to the top and click download. You can save as a PNG or JPG, whichever one you want to save it to. So we just say PNG, and then you'll say template, and I'll save page number 2. Click done, then download. So it'll download your file. You can share it to your social media or share it to your clients. Thank you for watching.